this side and underhand on that side. So if we were to start here and overhand, we were to put it here like this is what it would look like. You're turning left rather than turning to the right. The lockout, the left turn, and then back to the weave. The lockout, the barrel roll, lockout, the weave. Let's do the drills. With your left hand, you're down here. Then you're gonna turn to your left and bring it up here, and you'll be underhand on this side. And then turn back to where you started to overhand, turn to underhand, turn to overhand, turn to underhand, turn to overhand. Now let's do a full cycle. So once underhand, once overhand, and 5, 6, 7, 8, underhand, and then back to overhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn to underhand, turn back to overhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn to underhand, turn back to overhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn to underhand, turn back to overhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn to underhand, turn to overhand, and down. So your right hand will be here, and you'll go from the top position, you'll turn to your left, come to underhand at 6 o'clock, then you'll turn and London bridge, it'll be back up top. Then you'll turn, it'll come down to 6. Then you turn and it's back up top in the London bridge. And then you turn and it's down. And you turn in the London bridge. And you turn and it's down. And now you're back to your London bridge. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the bottom, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the bottom, back to the top, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the bottom, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the bottom, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the bottom, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, and down. So if we were in underhand, we were going to get into this. I guess this is how I would do it. When my right hand is on top, I would swing it down to the bottom while I swing my left one up to the top. And then I would turn and turn back to underhand weave. So flower, barrel roll, weave. Flower, barrel roll, weave. 5, 6, 7, and lockout, barrel roll, underhand weave. 5, 6, 7, 8, and lockout, barrel roll. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and lockout, barrel roll, weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. 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 Lockout, barrel roll, weave. So when you're going from overhands, you'll bring your left hand down, your right hand up, but you still turn to the left like this, and then back to your weave. And 5, 6, 7, and lockout, barrel roll, weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. 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 Lockout, barrel roll, weave. 5, 6. Last time, and go. Lockout, barrel roll, weave.